So you're thinking about teaching English, maybe from India, maybe in India? That's awesome. Seriously, it's an incredible adventure that can, take you all over the world or open up some really cool new doors right here at home. But, and there's always a but, right? Before you even get to the exciting part, there's this one massive roadblock that trips so many people up.
Yeah, it's this question. You know the one. You type it into a search engine and boom, you are just buried under like hundreds of websites, thousands of courses, and every single one of them is screaming that they are the best. It's just completely overwhelming, isn't it? It feels like you're trying to find a needle in a haystack and you don't even know what the needle is supposed to look like. Okay, deep breath. Don't worry, you are absolutely in the right place. What we're going to do here is just cut through all that noise, forget the chaos. We're going to build a really simple, super clear plan so that you can figure out what the right answer is for you. Sound good? All right, let's get into it.
So, what does best really mean for you? Look, first things first, we gotta totally flip the script on how we think about that word, best. Because here's the secret. There is no single one-size-fits-all best TEFL course out there. It just doesn't exist. The whole point isn't to find the best course, it's to find your best course.
And what does that mean? Well, it means the best course is the one that just clicks perfectly with your life, your goals, your dreams. It's the one that lines up with where you see yourself teaching, the kind of students you're excited to work with, everything. It is 100% about a personal fit.
Okay, so how do you find that perfect fit? Well, it means we have to do a little homework on ourselves first. It all comes down to answering 3 really important questions before you even think about looking at a single course website. Question number 1. Where do you actually want to teach? I mean, really picture it. Are you dreaming of teaching online, maybe from your living room? Or have you got your heart set on a specific country, like Japan or Spain? Or maybe you want to find a great job in a school right here in India. Each of those paths has totally different requirements, so this is square one. All right, next step. Who are you teaching? Imagine your ideal classroom. Who's in it? Is it full of little kids, singing songs and playing games? Or are you in a university setting, helping students nail their academic essays? Or maybe you're more drawn to the business world, teaching professionals how to negotiate in English. Knowing this is huge because it points you toward the right kind of specialized training. And the last big question, number 3, what's your learning style? And you got to be really honest with yourself here. Are you the kind of person who loves total freedom? Of course, you can chip away at whenever you have a spare moment. Or do you need a bit more structure? Live classes with a real tutor and actual deadlines to keep you on track. There's no right or wrong answer, but picking the wrong one for you can make finishing the course, well, pretty tough. All right, let's move on to building your personal TEFL blueprint. Now, once you've got solid answers to those 3 questions, the where, the who, and the how, you are officially ready to start looking at actual courses. And to do that, we're going to build what I like to call your personal TEFL blueprint. Think of it as your personal cheat sheet for spotting a great course. So your TFL blueprint has 4 main parts. These are the absolute must-haves, the non-negotiables. You've got accreditation, course hours, specializations, and tutor support. Let's quickly go through what each of these means. First, let's talk about the foundation of your blueprint, accreditation. Okay, listen up, because this is probably the most important part. Accreditation is everything. It is the official external stamp of approval that says, yes, this course is legit. It meets high international standards. It's literally what gives your certificate its value in the eyes of an employer. And the difference here is, well, it's night and day. An accredited provider means your certificate is globally recognized. It means quality. An unaccredited provider? Sure, it might be cheaper, but you're taking a massive risk. Employers see that, and it's a huge red flag. Honestly, it's a gamble with your time and money that you just don't want to take. Okay, next on the blueprint, course hours. The magic number you need to remember is 120. 120 hours is the global minimum standard. Pretty much every employer on the planet is looking for that. Anything less, and your resume might just get tossed aside. Now, if you really want to stand out from the crowd, aiming for 150 hours or more gives you a serious competitive edge. And then we go beyond the basics. We're talking about specializations and tutor support. Getting a specialization in something like, say, teaching young learners or business English makes you a way more appealing hire. And please
Do not overlook tutor support. When you're studying online, having a real, live, experienced teacher you can ask questions to, oh man, that's an absolute game changer.
So let's talk about your path to a confident decision. You've done the hard work, right? You've figured out your personal goals, you've built your quality blueprint. Now it's time to put it all together and go from feeling confused to feeling totally confident.
And here it is, your final decision checklist. It's super simple. For every single course you look at, just ask these 4 questions. Is it accredited? Is it at least 120 hours? Is there real tutor support? And does it have the specializations I need? If you can say yes to all of those, and it matches your personal goals, then congratulations, you found a winner.
See? Your teaching adventure is waiting. You don't need to ask which course is the best anymore, because now you have everything you need to figure out what best actually means for you. The world is out there waiting for a great teacher like you. So my only question is, what's your first step?